is a concealable to low-vis carrier to plate carrier to full-on tactical system. So in this configuration here, where you have the entire tactical system put together, you end up with having ballistic traps, where you can actually have ballistic coverage on the upper sides and front. You can enter and exit from the actual shoulder itself at this point. You end up with a side plate cover bun and with a non-frictitious or non-friction causing material over on the side, so you end up with rub. You've got the full-on system from shoulders to actually side plate panels. Then you would remove the actual external cover bun here. So the external cover bun actually is removable, and we have a single buckle kit that goes on the side. With the buckle kit, you can still use the internal cover bun as well, though, which is key. Now you can actually see the actual shape of the plate carrier system itself. So what this ends up with is you end up with a nice ballistic overlap, actually wraps around the actual body itself. Gives a good ergonomic feel, but you can again still use the internal cover bun at the same. So what we did is we had these guys wear this on a daily basis, try it on, run with it, fight in it, spar in it. It really allowed us to make an ergonomic system that would be more towards the combative mindset. You have a nice overlapping piece where now it actually works together for constant movement. So if he's bending or turning his upper torso, but keeping his movement, it's not restrictive at all. We added the buttstock weld here to where, if you notice here, it actually has a standoff. So actually, as you actually pull the rifle in, it actually pushes this back and actually finds the right placement. One of the main aspects that this vest took was it was based around multiple sizes of extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. So what we did is we actually have adjustable lower groin and lower abdomen. Here, what we end up having is a lower abdomen protection, and then adding the groin onto the lower abdomen protection as a whole. So that way, what you end up with is ballistic overlap that actually comes up into the upper regions. One of the main keys with this, we've been able to lighten the load dramatically. So with this, we're able to cut about 23% off of the current system, but what we've been able to use is PV, and that's a material that we've actually had to create. So what we did is we took 500 denier quarter nylon, bonded it to and laminated it to 200 denier Kevlar correctional. PV stands for plume of bearers, which what that does is feather strength. So really the goal was to try to make an all-encompassing system around a fighter's mentality and a fighter's mindset.